Hey, in your honest opinion, were Tesla's product launches, achievements, and goals for 2023 truly impressive? Now that 2023 has passed for, a couple of weeks, let's take a look back at Elon Musk's tumultuous year and his electric car company to see if Tesla is truly a boom or bust with at least 15 big events that have shaken the US technology industry and served as a bridge to unveil models and products for 2024. But what mysteries have yet to be revealed? Let's find out in today's episode of Tesla Car World. Welcome back to the channel. Before we begin, please show your support by subscribing if you haven't already and ringing the bell so you won't miss out on any of our interesting videos in the future. Now, let's get started with today's content. Let's start things off with the release of the Tesla Bot Generation 2. It seemed like Musk ended 2023 with the Cybertruck Delivery event, but in the last days of December, Tesla made customers go with completely new, upgraded robot technology, with at least 6 additions after updating from Gen 1. Taking a look at the design, the perfection is at 80% compared to the standard of a humanoid robot with a polyurethane plastic system. Increasing movement speed by an additional 30%, reducing weight from 160 pounds to 138 pounds, a 22-pound reduction, and integrating 11 degrees of freedom on the hands to allow for a firmer grip on objects with the addition of flexible joint movements on the fingers compared to the Gen 1, which means peeling a boiled egg or threading a needle will sooner or later be a possibility with Gen 3 that may be coming this year. 2 degrees of freedom on the neck joints for the bot Gen 2 allows the robot to move its neck in 2 directions. It can rotate it horizontally or raise it up and down vertically. This enables the robot to look around flexibly, providing a broad view of various objects within the area. Additionally, the Tesla-designed drive system and sensors are highlighted. In this upgrade, the drive system has been integrated with electronic components and belts, allowing for more robust and secure power delivery. The foot force or torque sensors can easily detect movements like dancing, squatting, or walking through each step. Musk has mentioned the possibility of producing 10 billion to 20 billion of this technology for commercialization, although that goal seems pretty far off. Even with a small quantity, early sales are expected, and the rumored price is often speculated at around $20,000 US. When this technology becomes commercialized and on the market, will you have your very own robot butler? Would you even want to? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Next, we have the Cybertruck Delivery. Frankly, the Cybertruck Delivery event was the most talked about and impactful program for Tesla in the past year. It's been over 2 months since November 30th, but everything from that event feels as fresh as if it just happened yesterday. The truth is, there were more disappointments than there were expectations that emerged after the event concluded. The selling price surged by up to 50% compared to what was announced in 2019, and the delivery quantities were meager, with just 10 units, coupled with a significantly adjusted scope. Setting aside these issues, the performance metrics and capabilities that the Cybertruck offers are extremely superior for a pickup. We're particularly intrigued by its legendary bulletproof capability, being able to resist up to a 45 caliber round. However, Musk also candidly admitted that the Cybertruck is more challenging to manufacture than other models due to the difficulty in processing the stainless steel material, which is folded up to 5 times harder than regular steel to achieve a hardness of 90 HRB. However, Giga Texas has acquired specialized machines for this material from the supplier Schuler, and Musk has managed to address 90% of the stainless steel processing challenges. Now, the final issue lies in the quantity of 4680 batteries, which is a crucial factor in determining how many vehicles Tesla will produce this year. Our estimate is around 50,000 units for 2024, with the number expected to significantly increase from 2025 onwards. Generally speaking, the pickup delivery event, although eagerly anticipated, didn't create a massive impact, but only addressed some of the questions that the audience had, which we've been wondering about for the past 4 years. What were some of the issues that you wanted addressed at the event? Was it covered at all all, you know what to do. The comment section is yours. Shifting gears from trucks, let's discuss how Tesla unveiled the Model 3 Highland. Recognizing that the design of the popular sedan has become somewhat stale after almost 7 years since its launch in 2017, the sales of the Model 3 have slowed down compared to other electric vehicle manufacturers like BYD in China and Europe. They have consistently updated and released new affordable models to enhance competitiveness. To address this, Musk has approved the decision to refresh the Model 3 with a project codenamed Highland. Get it? Because there can only be one. It entered early production in 2023 at Giga Shanghai and started deliveries to various markets, except the US, in September. The refresh includes headlight updates inspired by the Roadster 2, removal of fog lights, a change in the logo to a symbol, along with interior improvements such as an added LED strip lights, air-conditioned seats, and a steering wheel integrated with better haptic feedback than the Model X. Most importantly, the external wind noise filtration system has been remarkably enhanced, or should I say reduced, meaning you'll be expecting a 30% reduction in sound. A more peaceful journey is on the horizon. The pricing is not significantly increased compared to the pre-refresh, with an increment ranging from $2,000 to $3,000 after the improvements. In the first quarter of the year, Tesla is likely to officially launch it in North America, and orders are expected to be delivered in around the second quarter or later, as production lines have commenced at the Fremont factory. Speaking of Tesla's strides, let's pivot to another milestone, the production of their 20 millionth 4680 battery cell. In addition to product releases, Tesla and Musk have also achieved an admirable milestone in producing the new generation batteries, with 20 million 4680 battery cells in October at the specialized Texas factory dedicated to the Cybertruck. This is a very significant milestone for us and customers to estimate the number of Cybertrucks that Tesla can produce based on the cell count. This public achievement also indicates the average production rate over the past 8 months, as previously in June, the company celebrated the production of 10 million cells at the same location. That means 10 million additional cells were produced in nearly 4 months, and the average rate was more than 2.5 million per month. That's around 625 to 630,000 cells per week. The announcement of a quantity of 30 million cells or even more is expected soon, as Tesla might have made faster progress with the previous year. From various reliable sources, we have learned that there seem to be no issues with the positive electrode dry coating in the 4680 cells. However, Tesla is facing challenges in perfecting a similar technique for the negative electrode, the most expensive component in the battery, which is why the manufacturer has not been able to push the maximum production capacity yet. The engineers are likely on the path to finding a solution, and the only issue is waiting for the results of the experiments. The 4680 battery pack in the Cybertruck is estimated to have about 1,360 individual cells. This means that Tesla would need to produce 340 million cells per year, or nearly a million cells per day, to supply 250,000 electric pickup trucks. The battery issue is certainly not expected to persist for too long, though. Continuing the momentum, we've seen another significant achievement, with Tesla's Model Y taking the crown as the best-selling EV in 2023 worldwide. Indeed, true to its reputation as Musk's almost all-encompassing EV, the Model Y has consistently disrupted the market. It has emerged as the best-selling model, not just once, but 3 times in a row, causing a stir in international markets and surpassing rivals like the Toyota Corolla and other heavyweight competitors. From what we know, the Model Y not only dominated the first 3 quarters, but is also poised to exceed expectations in the 4th, solidifying its position as a game-changer in the EV landscape. Although Tesla's specific figures for the Model Y remain somewhat mysterious, as the company reluctantly discloses detailed data for individual car models, Tesla did publicly report sales figures of 484,500 vehicles in the 4th quarter, according to analyst Troy Teslike, who shed light on the achievements of this outstanding SUV. The Model Y will record a delivery volume of 328,000 units in the 4th quarter, judging by his analysis. This electric SUV is projected to surpass its competitors with an astonishing figure of 140,000, securing its position as the best-selling model in 2023. 2023. The total sales volume of the Model Y in 2023 is undoubtedly expected to exceed 747,500 units from the previous year of 2022. Tesla has not yet provided specific figures for this EV, but the manufacturer has acknowledged the achievements of the SUV. Tesla cleverly pointed out that the Model Y has been the best-selling car globally in the first 3 quarters of the past year, surpassing competitors like Toyota Corolla. However, media coverage has been limited due to the lack of official figures from Tesla. The hesitation of electric car manufacturers to provide detailed information about each model seems to have been missed in an era where transparency is crucial. Meanwhile, when October finally arrives this year, the Juniper project will be introduced, accompanied by several similar modifications to the Highland project of the Model 3. From dominating sales to groundbreaking software, the spotlight turns to Tesla's FSD Beta version 12, marking yet another milestone in their technological advancements. Indeed, version 12 launched just before the close of 2023, representing a fundamental change in how vehicles are controlled and showcases an exciting future for Tesla, demonstrating the company's ambitious full self-driving aspirations. In early December, Tesla only rolled out FSD Beta version 12 to a small group of internal employees, around 50. However, a few weeks later into the month, Tesla released version 12.1 and made it available to even more employees at around 15,000. And obviously, those 15,000 employees all own Teslas. Beta version 12 stands out with its own improved utilization of the neural network, a complex system learning from millions of video clips to recognize patterns and make informed decisions. What's unique is that, for the first time, Tesla integrates the neural network into controlling acceleration, braking, and steering, creating a flexible environment with an end-to-end neural network from input to output, which means cameras will take in information and your steering wheel will steer accordingly. The release notes currently only include one feature, stating FSD Beta version 12 transitions the auto steer on city streets system to a single stack end-to-end neural network that is trained on millions of video clips, eliminating the need for over 300,000 lines of human-written C++ code. Entering 2024, this feature will come to a large number of Tesla customers instead of internally. How do you feel about what this means for 2024? Continuing the streak of achievements, Tesla hits the monumental milestone of producing its 5 millionth vehicle, underscoring their exponential growth and impact on the automotive industry. Achieving 5 million vehicles is a memorable journey not only for Musk but also for the efforts of the entire Tesla staff, as well as the great support of the customer. With the speed of a falling leaf, Tesla proudly announced the sale of its 3 millionth vehicle in August 2 years later. Surprisingly, the company achieved the 4 million mark just 7 months later in the first quarter of 2023. 6 months after that, September specifically, Tesla celebrated the production of its 5 millionth vehicle. Musk has also successfully surpassed the target of selling 1.8 million vehicles in 2023, and this year the bar has been raised, a new record set to be established in 2024. Expanding their charging infrastructure at an unprecedented rate, Tesla unveils an impressive addition of over 11,000 new Superchargers, totaling more than 50,000 stalls worldwide, solidifying their commitment to enhancing the electric vehicle charging experience. In 2023, Tesla accelerated the construction pace of supercharger stations remarkably. By September, the 50,000th supercharger stall had been built. Designed with a unique style to mark this milestone for the manufacturer, Tesla kept the location of this special charging station intriguingly undisclosed, only suggesting that it's somewhere in the world. However, Tesla enthusiasts quickly figured out the location: Roseville, California. That's the Sacramento area, by the way. In 2023, Tesla constructed 11,000 new charging stalls, bringing the total number to potentially surpass 60,000 stalls globally, including nearly 6,000 supercharger stations. In the coming years, the supercharger network will become even more accessible to all EVs, not just Teslas. Through the non-Tesla Supercharger Pilot Program, Other manufacturers will be adopting Tesla's NACS charging connector in North America. In a groundbreaking deal, Tesla made history by selling $100 million worth of supercharger equipment to BP, formerly British Petroleum, in October. This landmark agreement has opened up opportunities for potential commercial partnerships, signaling a promising revenue stream ahead, especially with Tesla's NACS emerging as a charging standard set to launch in the coming years. On the other hand, companies that are solely in the battery charging industry, as well as other EV manufacturers, are also researching their charging networks, which means there will be diversity and competition at many levels, including charging power, price, location, reliability, and amenities. But to be fair, we believe that Tesla superchargers are still the biggest and best choice for customers, for now. Continuing its global expansion, Tesla makes waves with the announcement of Giga Mexico. Despite construction delays and setbacks, at least we know that Tesla will definitely have another Gigafactory. It has been even confirmed to be the largest Tesla Gigafactory yet, covering 4,200 acres and being invested with a massive amount of up to $10 billion US. The potential of this factory is held in high regard, with expectations for more advanced machinery and cutting-edge production lines surpassing those in the Shanghai and Texas facilities. Speculations include the inclusion of a 16,000-ton press and the special involvement of the Optimus bot in the production line. The anticipated production of the $25,000 Model 2 seems plausible here, especially considering Musk's mentions of groundbreaking manufacturing processes specifically designed for this model. Additionally, the Cybertruck and Robotaxi have been hinted at as future products from this factory once it's completed. However, given the likelihood that the factory may not be operational before 2026, exact details of its capabilities will remain unknown for some time. Adding to its energy solutions lineup, Tesla surprises with the launch of Powerwall 3. The new Powerwall is designed to function as an integrated solar battery system. P-Wall 3 comes with its own built-in inverter, eliminating the need for an additional wall-mounted box. And if aesthetics matter to you, there's some good news. Unlike previous Powerwalls, this one doesn't resemble an old refrigerator. Similar to previous P-Wall models, P-Wall 3 has an energy capacity of 13.5 kilowatt hours, and you can increase the capacity up to 40.5 kilowatt hours per unit. It's also twice as powerful as the previous P-Walls, with a continuous power output of 11.5 kilowatts. The battery comes with a 10-year warranty and cannot be mixed with other P-Wall models. That means if you're going to install a P-Wall 3 and you have a P-Wall 2 or the original, you're going to have to update those other models as well. The Tesla Powerwall 3 is expected to be released later this year, promising to provide optimal energy performance compared to its predecessors. And obviously, we can't talk about technological advancements without mentioning Tesla's introduction of its powerful Dojo supercomputer. Tesla began production of the Dojo supercomputer in July, first introduced on AI Day in 2021. This supercomputer cluster is designed to process large amounts of data while performing advanced AI and machine learning computations. The capabilities of Dojo extend to applications such as the full self-driving beta version and beyond, revolutionizing AI processing for Tesla's future technologies. It's expected to be soon ranked among the world's top supercomputers. What do you think could be the most impactful application or area where Tesla's Dojo supercomputer might redefine AI and machine learning beyond just FSD and Tesla Bot? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. While Tesla continues to revolutionize AI processing with the Dojo supercomputer, another innovation making waves is Tesla's one-piece casting. Tesla had been close to revolutionizing car manufacturing, aiming for a simplified process, much like making toy cars. They developed a technique to cast more of an electric car's underbody in one piece, potentially replacing 400 parts. That's like 400 steps out the window into one efficient step. This innovation formed the core of Tesla's strategy to produce millions of affordable EVs. They set their sights on releasing an affordable electric vehicle priced at $25,000 by the middle of the decade. Their plan was to kick off production in Texas and explore the possibility of expanding into Mexico and India. For Tesla, 2023 was a transformative year in the automotive landscape, marked by technological leaps, strategic partnerships, and monumental progress. It saw ambitious plans and pivotal milestones, from expanding gigafactories, pioneering battery tech, and integrating cutting-edge AI to major shifts in EV charging standards and production processes. And there you have it. There are many other momentous milestones for Tesla in the past year. We could only fit so many into this episode. Granted, they are the most impactful as they not only revolutionize the EV industry, but also provide further innovations into AI, renewable energy, and even manufacturing processes. So how do you feel about Tesla's 2023 products, and what aspects of the manufacturer would you like to see improved for this year? The comment section is always yours. We hope this video provided you with a sense of relaxation. If it resonated with you, kindly show your support by liking the video and joining the Tesla Car World family through subscribing to our channel. Be sure you don't miss any of our other fantastic content, or the ones soon to come, by hitting the bell icon. Your feedback and time are immensely appreciated. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon. Until then, stay safe and enjoy life.